In a village cradled by verdant hills and vibrant meadows, where the rivers sang lullabies and the wind whispered ancient secrets, lived a poor farmer named Eron. His farm, though small and nestled at the edge of the village, was Eron's world. But the soil was weary, and despite Eron's tireless efforts, the land yielded little. Eron's heart was as vast as the sky, and his spirit as resilient as the earth beneath his feet. Each morning, he greeted the sun with hope, and each night, he thanked the stars for their silent company. One evening, as Eron sat beneath the old willow that guarded his humble home, a soft glow caught his eye. It was coming from the heart of the forest that bordered his land, a place villagers seldom ventured, whispered to be the realm of spirits and ancient magic. Curiosity, a seed long buried under years of toil, began to sprout within him. With a resolve born from desperation, Eron decided to follow the light. The forest welcomed him with open arms, its trees parting to reveal a path lit by fireflies, leading to a clearing where the moonlight danced upon a field of emeralds. At the field's center stood a figure, ethereal, cloaked in moonbeams and shadows. Eron, the figure spoke, voice like the wind through leaves. Your heart is pure, your toil unyielding. This field of emeralds is yours if you forsake the sun and toil under the moon. A tempest of thoughts raged in Eron's mind. The emeralds could transform his life and that of his village. Yet, to forsake the sun, the giver of life, was to turn his back on the very essence of existence. I seek not riches at the cost of life's simple joys, Eron replied, his voice steady. But I ask, Spirit of the moon, for the knowledge to heal my land, that it may flourish. The figure nodded, and with a wave of its hand, the emerald field vanished, leaving behind a single seed, glowing softly in Eron's palm. Plant this seed by the light of the next full moon, and share its fruits with those around you. Remember, the truest wealth lies in giving. Eron returned to his farm, the mysterious seed his only companion. Under the next full moon, he planted it in the heart of his land. The seasons turned, and from the seed grew a tree unlike any other, its leaves shimmering with a hint of emerald, its fruits golden and filled with light. Word of Eron's miraculous tree spread, and people from far and wide came to witness its wonder. With each fruit shared, Eron's land healed a little more, until it was the most bountiful in all the village. The villagers, once skeptical, lent their hands to help Eron, and in turn, he shared the tree's fruits with them. Together, they learned that the land thrives when cared for with respect and love. Years passed, and Eron's farm flourished, a testament to his heart and the magic of giving. He became a keeper of ancient wisdom, teaching all who would listen about the balance between taking from the earth and giving back to it. And the tree, it grew tall and strong, a beacon of hope, its leaves whispering the tale of the poor farmer who turned an offer of wealth into a legacy of abundance for all. Eron's story, like the wind through the meadows, spread across lands, a folktale of humility, courage, and the enduring power of generosity. And in the village cradled by hills, under the watchful gaze of the old willow, it was told and retold, a reminder that the richest among us are those who understand the true meaning of giving. And so, under the canopy of stars and the watchful eyes of the moon, Eron's legacy lived on, as eternal as the earth and as boundless as the sky.